What is the correct ratio to make self-rising flour? I have a recipe that I've used a couple of times that asks for self-rising flour. Unfortunately, I only have regular AP flour where I am right now. I know self-rising flour is a mixture of AP flour and baking powder, but I don't know the ratio. I've found some estimations online, but they vary quite a bit. How much baking powder do I need for 1 kilogram of AP flour?
For 1 cup self-raising flour, add 1½ teaspoons baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon salt to 1 cup all-purpose flour. http://www.joyofbaking.com/ingredient-substitution.html. Calculation added by Sebedy Chef. According to http://www.jsward.com/cooking/conversion.shtml, see link. 1. 1 cup of unsifted all-purpose flour is equal to 120 grams. Therefore 1000 divided by 120 is 8.3 recurring, 1120ths equals 8.3. 8.3 multiplied by 1.5, 1½ teaspoons, is 12.45, so let's round it to 12.5, 12½ teaspoons or 4.167 tablespoons, rounded to 4 tablespoons, 8.3 * 1.5 equals 12.45. In metric this is 45 grams of baking powder. 8.3 multiplied by 0.25 is 2.075, so let's round it to 2 teaspoons, 8.3 * 0.25 equals 2.075. In metric this is 10 grams of salt. So for 1 kilogram of flour you will need 45 grams baking powder, 4 tablespoons of baking powder and 10 grams, 2 teaspoons of salt. I use 1 level teaspoon baking powder for every 1 cup of plain flour.